I was gifted this make your own clay keychain kit, and I have to say I was super impressed. This book had so many easy step-by-step instructions that kids probably aged 5 and up could follow without a whole lot of parental help. Then you have some tools, and then this is the accessory zone. We're gonna put these little guys in there. We'll put the beads in this one, and then here are our hooks. All of the clay, and you get so many different colors.
No, there's more. This one's actually pretty easy. Let me see this one.
No, we're not done yet.
I want to go all the way around because I kind of like it.
Purple, right?
Yeah. Time to see how this, but pretty good.
Here are our finished charms. They turned out so cute. You can put it on a backpack or your purse. My daughter thought this one up. She wanted to make it like an Uncrustable. She didn't follow the book. How cute. I have to say, I was super impressed with this kit, and I'd recommend it for any parent that likes doing arts and crafts with their kids.